What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre, and in this video I'm going to be talking about typing jobs from home that you can do online. All right, so if you want to learn more about some typing jobs, or even if you know how to typing and you want to learn how you can make some extra money on the side, this is the one video that you need to watch. So make sure you watch it all the way till the end, because I'm going to give you guys two websites that you can jump on. You require no experience, no investment. All you got to do is be able to type, and that's all you need to do, right? So as you can see here, right, I'm showing you this website, and this website is called crowdsurfwork.com, right? Crowdsurfwork.com. And what are they? As you can see, transcription, captioning, right? So if you go through here, is Crowdsurf a good fit for you? Do you enjoy writing or reading? Are you looking to make a little extra cash on the side, or maybe you're a student who needs flexible work? So even if you're not a student and you want to earn some extra cash on the side, right, you can click on the Learn More button or Get Started. So let's click on here and see where it takes us, right? Boom, bada bing, bada boom. So look here, get started with Crowdsurf. All right, work online anytime from anywhere. This is great for a lot of people that coming home from work or before you get your day started. Maybe you could do a couple gigs here and earn some extra cash, because it doesn't require no experience. As long as you could type, right, jump on it. So Crowdsurf uses Work Market to hire and pay all Crowdsurfer freelancers, right? So if you look through here, they will give you the information and tell you exactly how it works, right? You can join us on Work Market, right? You can do that, right? Or you could come up here and you click Get Started. So if I click on where it says Get Started, join as a company, join as an individual. And I know a lot of people probably join as an individual, right? So you could sign up. They have the requirements here. Go through it. Take your time, read through it. You must be able to speak, read, write English. Those are some of the requirements. Requirements down here: must have a PC or a Mac. You definitely need a computer, because how are you going to type, right? You need good internet connection. So you don't want any slow internet connection. And just sign up for this. Sign up, go through here, see what they need, and hey, go for it. The next website that I'm going to share with you guys, and this one is called Transcript. It's gotranscript.com. So gotranscript.com. If you come through here, you will see a bunch of different, right, websites. Not websites, tasks that you could do, right? So it's a transcription service. Again, right, you can come through here, and how it works, they'll give you all the information listed, right? So this is for like their customers that come on here that want to learn more about what they have to offer. And it's good. You guys can come through here, read through all the information, and get familiar with exactly what they do. As you can see, you can meet like the entire team that they have available. So if you want to apply, all you have to do is just scroll all the way down, right? All the way to the bottom, and you see where it says work. So when you click on work, it's going to take you here. And this is worldwide. So if you want to learn how to type, hey, jump on this. Not learn how to type, but give your services for typing. This is worldwide. This is great. And you can make some money. As you can see down here, you can average anywhere between $150 a month, and the top earner, right, top earnings, $1,215. So imagine if you already have a job and you want to get some extra income, right, extra side hustle. Or if you don't have a job and you want to make some money, like look at that, $1,215 each month. So you could go through here, see how it works, work from home, receive great support, all that kind of stuff, enjoy work variety, work flexible hours. So you can even set up your hours and work, and you can receive weekly payments via PayPal. So set up a PayPal account. All right. So I hope you guys, check out these two websites. I hope they help you. And just let me know in the comments if you guys are taking massive action. And if, again, you're looking for some life-changing business opportunity, feel free to check out the link down below and learn more about that as well. All right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. And if you want to join my free Facebook group, the link is down below as well. All right. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. Andre, peace.